welcome back to Coffee Right. I hope you're having an amazing day ahead. I hope you've had an amazing month so far and an amazing week altogether. So this time around it's going to be a little different. So we're going to be eating the same colored food throughout the year. Not the year, oh my god, no, throughout the day. So all three of us have a color picked out for us, and we'll be eating the same food, and it's going to be interesting because you're not allowed to eat anything else. Let's see how that turns out to be for all three of us. It's gonna be a little difficult for a certain somebody who loves to munch on a lot of things, but let's see how that goes. Good morning, everybody. So the color for me for the day is white. I was smart enough to choose white because everything is available in white. You can have whatever you want in white. So my color for the day is white, and I'm just fresh out of shower and I'm ready for my breakfast, and I'm just back from the kitchen as well, and this is my breakfast. It's a glass of warm milk, and I have some toast here. Not toast, it's just bread. You can't toast a bread for breakfast. And some bananas, which is also right here with me. So that's my breakfast for the day, and all of it is white, and I'm ready to start my day with a cup of milk.
Hello guys, so the color that I chose is brown, and it's the most basic color, and there are a ton of snacks which are colored as brown, so that is in my favor. So right now I am having breakfast, and I decided that I'll eat chocos, and I'll just show it to you. Wait. So this is chocos, and the milk is boiling over there. I'll put it in and mix it, and then have my breakfast.
So the color I've chosen is yellow. I wanted to do something different, so I chose yellow. Like it would be challenging and that sort of stuff. But my breakfast was easily figured out, as yesterday my mom did khichdi, and so for that breakfast I just fried the khichdi. Yeah, so it is yellow. Yeah, obviously it's khichdi and it will be yellow. So yeah, this is my breakfast, fried khichdi, and I'll meet you at my lunch.
Okay, so for my breakfast, I'm having pink poha. In the video, it doesn't look like pink, it looks like orange, but trust me, in real life, it's the same color as of the beetroot. So I'm gonna have this, and yeah.
But to the first part of the challenge. Congratulations to the both of us. I am done for the first part of the challenge. The food was absolutely amazing. I agree to it, and I'm blessed to have food in the morning and etc. etc. But eating the same kind of food is still annoying. Anyways, now the problem starts here. I have to make the food myself because mom is a little busy and I am the one responsible for food, and number two, I have no time today, so it has to be something quicker to make, even quicker to gobble down, and at the end of the day has to be white, which is thicker. We can figure something out. And one more thing, it can't go soggy, or even if it goes cold, it shouldn't, like, not eat it. A non-edible kind version should not take place. So sandwiches was what I was thinking, but again, sandwiches has tomatoes and stuff, so it's not white anymore, and it will go soggy eventually. So discarding that, I am thinking of some spaghetti. Why? Because number one, it's easier to make. I won't have to sit there and cook. I can just have the water boiling and stuff will happen, so that's easier for me, and it won't go, even if it does go cold, it's okay. If I have to eat cold, I can microwave. So we're set for lunch. That's spaghetti. Who doesn't like pasta for lunch?
So it is the lunch time right now, and I'm gonna have roti and sabzi. So I'm having aloo ki sabzi and a roti. So I'm gonna add beetroot ka juice into it to make it look pink. And let's see how it turns out to be. Okay, guys, so this is what the final outcome is. I'm having pink dal, pink sabzi, and pink roti. Can you imagine me eating pink? For this video, I would like to thank my mama for, itna struggle karne ke liye, for making pink roti and doing pink in everything. So thank you so much. If you're watching this, thank you. Let's taste it. It's amazing. It tastes very tasty. Like it's very tasty. I was assuming it to be bitter or I was assuming it to be weird, but then it's the regular sabji that we have. Beetroot ka taste is like absolutely nothing. It's amazing.
So I'm planning to eat Maggie for lunch, and that's the most easiest thing to eat and cook as well. But I don't have any Maggie at my home, so I'll quickly run down to the store and get the Maggie. Yeah, and I'll get you back to when I come back. So I'm back and I've brought this packet of Maggie. Now I'll cook it and eat it. Yeah.
मिनट में अभी बनाती प्रोटीन कैल्शियम से भरी आती थोड़ी सब्जी थोड़ा प्यार झट से हो जाए तैयार.
So I'm done cooking the Maggie and now I'll eat it.
Food number 3. Food item rather. Number 3. Dinner. Now number 1A. Rather than the last time, I am not cooking dinner. We're set. And number 2, it's again gonna be white, obviously, but it's rather a gujju snack, you could say. We're eating idra, which is, I don't know how to explain it. It's amazing to taste, etc, etc. It's amazing, but I don't know how to explain it to you. Alright, so it's like steamed and it's healthy, but at the same time it fills up your stomach and everybody likes it kind of deal, and you're gonna be set for the day. So that's going to be my dinner.
So this is dinner time, and because I can't cook and there was a separate dinner made, so I made sandwiches. Brown bread with chocolate, which is also, I dropped my chocolate, which is also brown. Okay, so this is the leftover Hershey's. I'll just put it in my coffee tomorrow morning.
Okay guys, it's 6:30 right now and I don't really feel like having a proper dinner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have this Wafika wafer biscuit which is in the flavor strawberry, and I obviously had to choose something pink. So I chose this one, and that's about it for my dinner. I know it's not something really healthy, but I have had enough of healthy food throughout the day, so I'm contented with that. And yeah.
So for dinner I've decided to make poha, not me really. I told my mom to make it, and as you can see the poha is yellow, and also my spoon. I know it's my little brother's spoon, but still I have to use it. Yeah. So I can say successfully I have completed my food challenge of eating only one color. Like in the morning I ate that khichdi, in the afternoon I ate Maggie, and now the poha. So yeah.
So this is it for our video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. And comment down below if we could have used any other food items that were not already used.